Hello everyone. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by a seemingly endless to-do list? Wondering how you'll ever manage to get everything done? I am sure we've all been there. Today, we're going to explore some powerful strategies to help you handle tasks more efficiently. These techniques will not only help you manage your workload, but also reduce stress and improve your overall productivity. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand and apply the 2-minute rule to manage tasks efficiently. Implement task batching to streamline similar activities. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks to enhance productivity. Let's start with the 2-minute rule. This simple yet effective technique was popularized by productivity expert David Allen in his book Getting Things Done. The rule is straightforward. If a task can be completed in 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up and cluttering your to-do list. Imagine you receive an email asking for a quick confirmation on a meeting time. Instead of letting it sit in your inbox, take those 2 minutes to respond right away. This small action keeps your inbox clean and frees up mental space for more important tasks. Think of the 2-minute rule as picking up a piece of trash as soon as you see it, instead of waiting for it to accumulate. It's much easier to maintain a clean space by handling small bits of clutter immediately. Next, let's talk about task batching. This technique involves grouping similar tasks together and completing them in a dedicated time block. This minimizes the cognitive load of constantly switching between different types of tasks and can achieve a state of flow more easily. Let's say you have several emails to respond to and some documents to review. Instead of addressing these tasks throughout the day, batch them together. Spend 1 hour solely on emails and a separate time block for document review. I had a student, Mark, who struggled with constant interruptions while studying. He started batching his tasks by dedicating specific times for responding to messages and emails. This change allowed him to focus more deeply on his studies and significantly improved his academic performance. Large projects can be daunting and often lead to procrastination. Breaking them down into smaller tasks makes them less intimidating and easier to tackle. This approach, known as chunking, helps you make steady progress and maintain motivation. Suppose you have a research paper due in 1 month. Instead of viewing it as a single overwhelming task, break it down into smaller steps. Day 1. Choose a topic. Day 2 and 3. Conduct preliminary research. Day 4. Create an outline. Day 5 to day 10. Write the first draft section by section. Day 11 to day 12. Revise and edit. Day 13. Final review and submission. Think of breaking down a project like assembling a puzzle. You don't attempt to complete the entire puzzle in one go. Instead, you start with edges and gradually piece it together. Each small accomplishment brings you closer to the finished product. Select a large project or assignment you have and break it down into smaller tasks. Create a timeline for completing each step and track your progress. Thank you for your attention today. Handling tasks efficiently is about working smarter, not harder. Applying the 2-minute rule, task batching, and breaking down larger projects can significantly enhance your productivity and reduce stress. I can't wait to see the positive impact these strategies have on your productivity.